Everyone, we are doing here arithmetic sequence by using formula method. Here the sequence is given x plus 3, 2x plus 5, 3x plus 7. Means the numbers are not yet given properly. Everything is in with the unknown variable x. So we have to be very careful when we are doing the calculation. Here in part A, we have to find next two terms. If we need the next two terms, we should know the rule between the numbers. Which rule is going, adding or subtraction, multiplication, like that, we have to find it. So that I am going to use the formula now. The formula is difference. Difference formula is T2 minus T1. It's equal to T3 minus T2. It's better to check at least two pairs. This condition, everything I explained in the previous video about the terms, notations and the formula, everything. Please have a look there if you have any doubts. And here in the second term, this is called term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3. We can give the replace. T2 is equal to 2x plus 5 minus T1 is x plus 3. T3 is 3x plus 7 minus T2 is 2x plus 5. We can remove the brackets by expanding, which gives 2x plus 5 minus x minus 3. This is left hand side. Here the first part is 3x plus 7. This is giving minus 2x and minus 5. Now we can compare the like terms, which is having the same variable. 2x and minus 1x gives 1x and 5 minus 3 gives 2, which means x plus 2. 3x minus 2x is again 1x. 7 minus 5 gives 2. So we got the same difference both the side. Here we can say the difference is x plus 2 only. Means that numbers are adding by x plus 2. So here we need the answer for question A. So we have to continue the fourth and fifth number. So that I am writing the sequence. This is third term. This is the last term given in the question. This should be added with the difference to get T4. Similarly, here to get T5, this T4 must be added with difference again to get T5. So I am writing the condition. My T third term is 3x plus 7. I am writing here to find T3. I am going to use the formula T3 plus difference. So the previous number should be added by the difference x plus 2, which gives us 3x and 1x is 4x. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is T4. In fourth place, we can see this number. Similarly, I want T fifth term. To get T fifth term, we have to consider fourth term now. That fourth term must be added by the difference g. Here the fourth term, it's what we found, 4x plus 9 plus, and the difference we have x plus 2. So we can write it, which gives 4x plus 1x is 5x. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. This is fifth term. So in question A, they are asking about two terms and we found it. This is fourth term and this is fifth term. Question B, determine the nth term of the sequence in form of Tn. They are asking us to find the general structure of the term. So that we can continue here. Question B is finding nth term. So we have to introduce that nth formula here. Nth formula is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. A means first number, n means place which we are trying to do, d means common difference. We don't know that nth place because we are going to find that only. So Tn remains same. A means first number which is given in the question, x plus 3 plus n minus 1. D we found it x plus 2. So we can write x plus 2 here. So we have to expand this calculation, which gives us x plus 3 plus. These two brackets are in multiplication now. N minus 1 and x plus 2. Expand the brackets. which means n times x, n times 2, nx plus 2n. Next, you can choose minus 1. Minus 1 times x minus 1 times 2, minus 1x and minus 2. This is expansion. So now the first bracket is x plus 3, and then we have nx, then we have 2n, then we have minus x and minus 2. We can cancel this plus x and minus x. Now we can write it, first one 2n, next one nx. This number 3 minus 2 gives 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is general structure of Tn. We found the answer for the given sequence. Nth term is equal to 2n plus nx plus 1. But the third question we have to check if the 10th term is having a value of 221. If 10th term is 221, find the value of x. 10th term means what? T10. If T10 is 221, find x value. So we can find now. They are saying 10th term is T10 is 221. It is given. In the question itself, it is given 10th term is 221. Then find x. So 10th term formula we have to write. Okay. So what to do? We know nth term formula only. So here I am just writing Tn is equal to 2n plus nx plus 1 we know. But the question is having 10. Just replace 10 here in place of n, 10. So that 2 is 2, n is 10. Again n is 10, x plus 1, which is giving us T10 is equal to 20 plus 10x plus 1, which we can write 20 plus 1 is 21 and 10x. So 10x plus 21. So that I am going to give this substitution here in place of T10. I am substituting 10x plus 21, which is equal to 221. Now I am moving this term to that side, which is 10x equal to 221 minus 21 is giving us 200. So x equal to 200 divided by 10. So that x value, by simplifying the fraction, we are getting 20. So the required value for x is 20 only. In this question we found common difference, then we were doing that finding fourth and fifth term. In next part we got the nth term, and the last portion we checked by using the given condition to get x value. Thanks for watching this. We can do more question in the next video.